What will be the length of the following set? So what is the length of the following set? Set is given that we know that an empty set is created by this, and we are adding some elements like s dot at 20, s dot at 20.0, that is floating point number, and s dot at 20 as a string. So what will be the length of a set? This. So mm, can we think on this question? So let us see. Hey everyone, you are watching Code You, and I'm going to tell you what will be the answer. And before I tell you, you can comment it below that what do you think about this question. And let me just copy this text and going to print in my VS Code editor and just it to remove here and going to print going to first of all hide this now. If we try to print this print the print as, then what will you think we what will you think if this the length first of all let us try to print its length of s, and what you think it is 3. Mm, so I can't think so because let us see what will happen. Okay. Yeah, if you think that comes 3, but no, it is 2. Why? Because here it is 20 as an integer and 20.0 as a floating point number, and this is a string. Okay. So in Python, if two numbers, okay, if two numbers have same values, then there is no point. If it is either int or float, it Python will consider it as the same. Okay. So when we try to just print the set, let us see what we're gonna print. Okay, here you can see that only two element is printing here, that is 20 as a string and 20 as a integer. Okay, so in Python, this is the rule. If any two numbers have the same values, like here 20.0 that is a float and 20 as an integer, if two numbers have the same value, um, then if it is int or float, it does not matter. Okay, it does not matter either it is a int or float. Okay, so that's why we are getting here 2 as the length and only two element here. So I hope this makes sense, and thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next time.